Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your Dodge Grand Caravan, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your Dodge Grand Caravan. Now this is a 2012 Caravan, it's a 3.6 liter. The process should be exactly the same or very similar in a 2013, 2014, all the way up to 2019 or even 2020. If you do have one of these other years, I'd love to hear about it in the comment section below if the process is the same for you. So I picked this air filter up here in town, but if you do want to buy one online, I do have some links below in the description where you can pick one up. Just make sure you put in the correct year and model of your vehicle so you get the right filter. This process is really easy to do, so let's get right at it and show you how it's done. So first off, go ahead and open up the hood on your van. Make sure the hood rod is securely in place so the hood doesn't fall and hit you on the head. Once the hood is open, we're going to be looking for the air box, which is located over here on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and open up the air box. There's 3 snaps, one here at the front, one on the right-hand side, and one over here on the left-hand side. We'll start with the front one and just snap that off. It's a little clip. Then the one on the right-hand side and the one on the left. It's a little tight here on the side. I think it's easier to go through the front and snap that off. And there you go. From there, you can go ahead and lift up the cover and pull out the old air filter. You can see this one's kind of dirty. I'll put it next to the new one here so you can see the difference between the old one and the new one. So let's go ahead and put in the new air filter. Make sure it's in the right direction and you can place it back exactly how the old one came out. So I do want to show you this before you put the housing back together. There are these teeth up here on the top and these holes down here on the bottom, and you have to make sure those teeth slide into those holes before you do the snaps back up. Once you've got that, go ahead and do up those snaps, the one on the right, the one at the front, and then the one on the left-hand side. From there, just safely close the hood and you are all done. It is that simple to change the air filter on your Dodge Grand Caravan. So I hope this video helped you out in changing the air filter on your Dodge Grand Caravan. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thank you so much for watching and take care.